So here now in this video we'll discuss about that what is the capacitance of capacitor between the two conductors. Means this is the one conductor, already I told you. This is another conductor. This is called A conductor and this is called B conductor. Of potential is V1 and V2. The potential difference is V1 minus V2. And this is the positive conductor and this is the negative conductor. The electric field between the two is E. So the separation distance between the two conductors is D. So this conductor and this conductor having the same area of the conductor. Now the question is, between these two, what is the capacitance of capacitor? What is the capacitance of capacitor? Simply, the capacitance of capacitor C is equal to Q by V. You know that. This is what normal. Between these two, what is the capacitor of capacitance? If the two are placed in the free space, the two are placed in the two places, that is called C. This is the one conductor. This is the one conductor. And this is another conductor. This is the another conductor. Are you clear, Amma? So this is called A conductor and this is called B conductor, and the separation distance is D. The separation distance between the two conductors. The separation distance between the two conductors is D. And each conductor of area of cross section A. Each conductor of area of cross section A. So already I told you, this conductor of charge plus Q. This is what am plus Q. And this conductor of charge minus Q. This conductor of charge minus Q. So both two, let us consider two conductors A and B, and the separation distance is D. Let A be the area of cross section or area of cross section of each conductor. Each conductor. So this is the positive conductor, B is the negative conductor. Automatically some electric field is induced. Automatically electric field is induced between the two conductors. Electric field is induced between the two conductors. This is not an external electric field. This is called a induced electric field. So if you observe this diagram, having three regions, this side one region and this side one region, between the two conductors one region. So this is called first region and this is called second region and this is called a third region. So this is the first region and this is a second region and this is what third region. Now the question is, now what we want to prove that? Now you want to prove or you want to derive what is the capacitance. What is the capacitance of capacitor? What is the capacitance of capacitor? What is the capacitance of capacitor between the two conductors? What is the capacitance of capacitor between two parallel plate conductors? Parallel plate conductors. Now you have to calculate what is the capacitance of capacitor between two parallel. Why it is called parallel? Because the two conductors having the same area. Two conductors having what? Same area, equal and opposite charges on the separation distance. Two parallel plate conductors. Okay. Now here, if you observe that, so this is the positive, means this side is positive. This side is what? Negative. Either negative andre this side negative. But here there is no electric field. Why? If it is positive, if this side is negative means automatically electric field is induced. But here only this is the one plate. This side there is no another plate. So if this side there is no another plate, there is no either positive charge or negative charge. If there is no charge, there is no induced electric field. So in the region 1, the electric field is 0. While coming to the region 2, so conductor B having negative charge. So this side, if it is positive, here the electric field, here the electric field is induced. But here there is no charge. No, if there is no charge, there is no electric field. There is no electric field. That means in the region 1 and 2, the electric field is 0. Why? Because there is no other conductors or other charges. That's why in charge region 1 and region 2, the electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Now in the region 3, what am I? In the region 3, so this side positive electric field and this side negative electric field. Between these two, what is the electric field? The electric field is equal to, between the positive and negative, no, due to the positive charge, what is the electric field? The electric field is E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. Sigma by 2 epsilon, where sigma is called what am I? Surface charge density. So due to the positive charge conductor, this is what am I? Positive surface charge density, and this is what am I? A negative charge density. What is meant by surface charge density? The surface charge density sigma is equal to Q by A. Charge per unit area is called surface charge density. So A conductor having positive surface charge density, B conductor having negative charge surface density. Now they are asking between the two conductors. That is what? E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. Sigma by 2 epsilon is what? Due to the positive charge density. I mean first conductor. Due to the first conductor. What is the due to the second conductor? This is called minus what am I? Sigma by 2 epsilon. So we are calculating difference, no? That is what? Minus of minus plus. Okay. So the surface charge density is what? Sigma by 2 epsilon plus sigma by 2 epsilon. Then E is equal to what am I? E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon plus sigma by 2 epsilon. 2 sigma by 2 epsilon. So 2 is cancelled. 2 sigma by 2 epsilon. 2 is cancelled. Then sigma by epsilon, where epsilon is called permittivity of free space. Epsilon is called what am I? Permittivity of free space. Then E is equal to sigma by epsilon, where sigma is called surface charge density, charge per unit area. That is what? Q by A epsilon. Q by A epsilon. So this is called electric field between the two conductors. That is E is equal to Q by epsilon A. Q by epsilon A. So between the two conductors having some potential difference, no? Having some potential difference. Now the potential difference, what am I? The potential difference between two parallel plate conductors. Two parallel plate conductors. According to the relation, what am I? The relation is equal to what? Delta V by delta L. That is E is equal to V by delta L is what? The separation distance, no? V by D. Then V is equal to E into D, na? So this is called the potential difference between the two conductors. Potential difference between the two conductors. That is what? V is equal to E into D. I hope understand. This is called equation 1 is called what? The electric field between the two conductors, and this is called the potential difference between the two conductors. Electric field and what am I? Electric potential. That the potential V is equal to what is the E value? Q by epsilon A into D. Let this equation number 2. Now your aim is to calculate that capacitor of capacitance, no? Capacitance of capacitor. Then the capacitor of capacitance, what? C is equal to Q by V. Na? How? According to the definition. According to the definition of capacitor of capacitance is what? C is equal to Q by V. Then C is equal to Q by V. V is equal to what? From the equation 2. QD by epsilon naught A. Q is cancelled. Then C is equal to this. It should be upside na. Epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A by C D. So this is called the capacitance of capacitor or capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So you can call like this, the capacitance of capacitor between the two parallel plate conductors. Capacitance of capacitor between the parallel plate conductors, or simply it is called capacitance of parallel plate conductors or capacitors. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor or capacitance of capacitor between parallel plate conductor or capacitor, like this. So that is what C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, what? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So the capacitance of capacitor, it is depends upon what? It is depends upon area of the cross section. C proportional to A, no? And the capacitance of capacitor is depends upon the separation distance between the two plates. The separation distance between the two plates. Next, the capacitance of capacitor, it is depends upon the permittivity of medium or free space. Now it is free space, epsilon naught. Its value is 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. If it is placed in medium, epsilon, and also it is depends upon what? Dielectric constant. It is what? Dielectric constant. About the dielectric constant in the next video we will discuss. Okay. So this is called the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. This is a very important for the 3 marks question. Number of times they are asking. If the question is not asking about this formula, by using this formula, they will ask one problem. I hope understand. Either 3 marks question or 5 marks problem from this concept. How they are asking the question? Derive an expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Derive an expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Otherwise, sometimes they are asking by using this formula, what? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. By using this formula, they will ask one problem. They will ask one problem. Okay. So this is about that capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. See once again. Let us consider two conductors A and B. Of area of each conductor is A and the separation distance between the two conductors is D, where E is called electric field between the two conductors, V is called the potential difference between the two conductors. Let sigma is called surface charge density. Sigma is called surface charge density. Okay now. So in the region 1 and region 2, the electric field is 0. Why? Because it is a single positive charge. The conductor B having a single negative charge. If there is no other positive, here there is no other negative. So in the region 1 and region 2, the electric field is 0. While coming to the region 3, here both positive and negative charges are present. Automatically the electric field is induced in the region 3. In the region 3, the electric field is induced. That electric field is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. how it is? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. In the first chapter we're discussing what? The second application of Gauss law. I hope. Second application of Gauss law. Second application of Gauss law ನಾವು derive ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. What? E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught ಅಂತ. By using that, each conductor of electric field E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E conductor the sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Difference no? So ಇದು minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus of minus plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. 2 is cancelled. The remaining is E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Here sigma is called surface charge density. Epsilon permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space. Sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma is called charge per area into epsilon naught. Let it be equation 1. Now, what is the potential difference between the two conductors? E is equal to V is equal to E into D. How it comes? How it comes? The derivation. It comes from It comes from the relation between electric field and electric potential. V is equal to E into D. So this derivation is comes from relation between electric field and electric potential. ಏನ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? That electric field is equal to minus delta V by delta L. In magnitude ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So E is equal to delta V means the potential difference. ಇಲ್ಲಿ potential difference ಏನು? V. And the perpendicular distance. Here the distance is called D. So E is equal to V by D. Cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ V is equal to E into D. So equation wala E ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ Q by epsilon naught A into D. Now your aim is to calculate the capacitance of capacitor. So from the definition, C is equal to Q by V. Q by V. V is equal to from equation 2 QD by epsilon naught A. Q is cancelled. Epsilon naught A shifted to upside. Epsilon naught A by D, where epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space, area of each conductor, and the separation distance between the two conductors. So sometimes they're asking about this one. On what factors the capacitance of capacitor depends? On what factors the capacitance of capacitor depends? Area of the cross section. Number 2, the separation distance between the two conductors, and the depends upon the permittivity on the dielectric constant. Yes, a dielectric constant andre we'll discuss in the next video about the dielectrics. Andre ಈ two conductors ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. If you placed or if you insert one dielectric medium, ಹೌದಾ, between the two conductors, here nothing is there. Suppose if you insert one rod, one metal plate, automatically electric field, electric potential change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Electric field, electric potential change ಆದ್ರೆ C value change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ dielectric medium. Okay, on what factors the capacitance of capacitor? So this also they will ask for the 3 marks question. Sometimes, not more times. In very rare case they are asking on what factors the capacitance of capacitor depends. Like that they will ask a question. That is what the capacitance of capacitor, it is depends upon area of the cross section and the separation distance between the two conductors and the permittivity and the dielectric media or dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. The dielectric constant, it is denoted by symbol is K. Already now last chapter discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. What is meant by dielectric constant? The dielectric constant is also called as the relative permittivity. I hope. Relative permittivity. What is relative permittivity? The permittivity of medium to permittivity of free space. Permittivity of medium to permittivity of free space is called the relative permittivity, and also is called dielectric constant, and also is called what dielectric constant. Okay, so this is about that capacitance of capacitor. or capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So in the next video we'll discuss about that. What? Between the two conductors, if we insert a medium, at that time what happens? The capacitance of capacitor. What happens? The capacitance of new capacitor. Already capacitor we discussed, that is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. If the medium is inserted, if the metal is inserted between the two conductors, what is a capacitance of new capacitor? Capacitance of what? New capacitor. That we will discuss in the next video. Okay. Thank you.